It is a lonely place to be, man. And you really got to do some self-evaluation to really figure out what it is that you're getting from that thing. When I, in my addiction, I was getting, and I broke this down at the summit, a few weeks ago. I was getting dopamine, I was getting endorphins, I was getting a testosterone boost, I was getting oxytocin. And, for me, that dopamine was because my life was boring. I mean, and to understand that my life doesn't have to be boring when I put some purpose in that space. Purpose can fill that boring space. That endorphin, my life was just blah. Like I didn't have any excitement. I didn't have anything I was looking forward to. When I put some things into my life that I was looking forward to, that kind of filled that space. I mean, the testosterone boost, again, we just had this whole conversation. Go back and look at the conversation last week about men in our culture, and especially our Western culture, but these days, and testosterone levels, et cetera, et cetera. Oxytocin, the opposite of oxytocin in terms of, the kind of the chemical antidote, is cortisol. So my life was stressed out, and I was getting oxytocin, which relieved me from the cortisol effects. I was getting a lot of things from my addiction that it happened to be a one-stop shop, and it happened to work really, really well.